This is idea is very simple idea is regarding the information and document-centric relationship management. So, and its name is synchronized convenience. So, what is synchronized convenience all about is it gives you an option to get your information and documents organized almost automatically without user intervention or without manual intervention. For example, you buy something and you get your bill automatically attached to your account, kind of, and then the relationship starts from there. For example, you bought something and you want to give feedback about that, or maybe that feedback is not reaching to the right people. That means the manufacturer is not getting that effect because dealer is blocking somewhere. So this is kind of information and document-centric complete propagation of relationship from directly from the end user to the provider or the manufacturer. So that is one. And second, the user is getting the benefit of organizing everything, every information and document in a single place. So let's say I want to see my medical record. I saw that Nois's presentation, and that's really something. Some of the areas we are focusing and we are really doing something there, but we want to integrate with some of the softwares like that. So where we want to have the medical records of a particular user or patient and represent to that user in a unified view in a conversation-based organization. So let's say if I have cancer, I want to see what all I had done, and the doctors had recommended me in last 2 years, including my prescriptions, including the recommendations, so everything. The same thing goes for retail also. So let's say I have bought a TV, and what I did for my TV, how long I used, and what are the problems I had, and what are the interactions with the dealers. When I go to dealer, I don't carry anything. I just say this is my customer ID, and that's it. So you get everything. So it's managed. That is one area. Another area is this is a good way of putting. Actually, we are putting it at a platform or framework level rather than just an outright product, because we want to provide a very good advertising model around this, and we're not calling it advertising. We're calling it a promotions and what is called kind of promotions and promotions. I guess another term I forgot. It's too business for me. So the promotion is something kind of, let's say you are a female user and your age range is between 10 to 45, and let's say one pharma company invented one new medicine for cervical cancer, and then the platform knows that you are a female and your age range is 10 to 45. And this particular drug is particularly applicable for you. So that particular promotion shows up, not as advertisement, but really something as promotion. So the model is, we will show as less advertisement as possible to make it very, very focused. If possible, we will not show anything, but we will not show anything junk. So that means today the Google, I'm not saying that Google is doing wrong thing, but this context is different, but I'm just giving the example. So when I search Google, I see a lot of advertisements at the right-hand side. And those are just, it senses the context and shows many junks that we don't use, and less than 1% people uses that. And so we don't want to do that. We want to show something that at least 50% click rate will be there. So let's say today, again the same example, if a female user and age range is between 10 to 45, and if she sees that this is something very important, very much directed to me, so there will be chances to click. And once you avail that, this platform knows that as well. So you have already taken that vaccination, so no showing up again. So this is just one example. So this is one area. Another thing is whatever comes up, it will have all those Web 2 stuffs also. For example, the review, the dig, everything will be linked with that particular advertisement. So let's say it's coming out. So you want to see what is the local doctors are recommending about this. So let's say swine flu promotion is coming out. So let's say the vaccination for swine flu is available today. So if you click on that, you can see the review, recommendations of the local doctor, international doctors, wiki, blogs, everything will be linked with that. So it's kind of a platform from where you can manage everything. One more perspective is completely another side of example, but the platform is same. Let's say you are going to be employed by somebody and he asks you to set up documents for that. So what you do, you just browse, tick, 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 forward this, and you're done. So that is one thing. The second is, let's say your degree certificate. So somebody is asking, show me that. If you show a paper, even if it is original or photocopy, doesn't matter. It has a face value and you have to believe in that face value. So that's it. I mean, otherwise you have to employ one detective agency to find out whether it's fake or whether. Here, I mean, another aspect is every document is actually, the user is just a passive owner, not active owner. Active owner is the provider. So university provides this. The retail shop provides this. Medical companies or healthcare organizations, they provide the documents for you. So you are just a passive owner, not the active owner. You cannot change anything. You can just keep it with you, and you have the right to forward it and share. So you get a lot of benefit from here, because this is something fake and forgery free. So if you forward something to me, I can really, your degree certificate, let's say, so I can be assured that this is provided by this university. So no question.
Okay, we'll move to a question and answer
Sure.
session.
Thanks.
Please.
What's your website, you said, actually?
Yeah, so website, I don't have this particular thing available today because we are in incubation mode right now, and we are actually struggling for the UI. If anybody can help me in that.
The scenario that it's like an ideal scenario where all the provider will send the documents and things like that. So practically, which domain you will target and things like that.
Okay.
Starting from education to government to healthcare. It's like an ideal scenario where all the provider will send this document and the user might be using your portal or your infrastructure. But to start with, right, where you are going to focus, okay, which audience you will focus on.
Okay, so initially there was a big debate between whether we should start with education or healthcare. So both have some benefits, and actually we have some people who are experts in healthcare and some in education. So now in healthcare, the problem is there are a lot of regulatory stuff there that we have to meet to that. But actually, particularly, I was adamant to do whatever is possible. Let's say prescription today is available, right? Nobody has the regulation regarding prescription. So at least those will be available for us. So we are targeting now for the next 6 months to education and healthcare. And the next 3 months, I think within 9 months, we'll come up with retail and healthcare and education, these three. And at the same time, we're not going into that domain really. I mean, we will partner with the right people with the right domain. So we are in between. We are not in the domain. Because domain needs a lot of focus, a lot of domain expertise. But we don't want, because ours is a framework, it's a platform that can, it has all the varieties of being a horizontal platform and not vertical. But we definitely need vertical experts, but we'll partner with those people to get, let's say, just for example, if Noesis does very great in EMR, right, we'll integrate with Noesis. So kind of that. Any question?
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.